Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video where I am going to show you guys how to place an order for an Amazon KDP proof copy and an author copy. I know you may be saying, well, I already know how to do this. This video is for beginners, people who are just signing up to KDP, who are just getting into journals, who are just getting into creating notebooks or writing a book on Amazon KDP. If you're not familiar with the platform, I just want to go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and place your proof author copy and your original author copy, where you can get bulk and sell it at an event or a vendor pop-up event, however you see fit, to have on hand, to ship out, whatever you decide to do with it. So if you are new here to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I drop a new video. I'm sticking to my 3 times a week videos. Sometimes there's more, but there'll never be less. All right, so I am already logged into my dashboard on KDP. Here you have your bookshelf. I do not have the new screen. I don't know, I'm so old. Until they force me to have it, I'll probably still be on the old dashboard and everything else. So but it's more in the report section. But here is my in between those novels journal, and if I wanted to order an author copy, I would hit this right here because it shows. But if I wanted to order a printed proof, I would hit request printed proofs, and it's always those 3 little dots. So what it does now is that your proof copies and your journal, your author copies, will go through your Amazon shopping cart. So if you have a KDP account, make sure that you also have an Amazon account, which you probably should, that is connected to that. So you'll choose your marketplace, and then you'll go ahead and submit proof request. So this one says, you know, within 4 hours of submitting the request, you'll get an email. And then you'll get an email and it'll take you to your actual Amazon shopping cart, right? All right, guys, so I wanted to pop in and let you know that I already got the email for the printed proof copy, and I'm just going to hit proceed to checkout. And again, I have both, but in here, it lets me know that this is my author copy and this is my proof copy. Okay. So, and in the proof copy, it shows the not for resale sign. So you can actually order both in the same transaction if you needed to. So that's how that works. If you want to just go ahead and buy Amazon author copies, you just click on it. Same process. Choose how many books, choose your marketplace, hit that, and this will automatically go to the cart. Now for the submitted printed proof, they do have to do that process. So see, it's already in my cart. And this is another little tip. If you are selling your books or journals on your website, and you wanted to send it to people as like drop shipping and doing it manually, you would hit this button right here that says this is a gift, so that you can basically put in gift information, mail it to them, maybe put in something else for them, but that's how you would do it. Okay, so you could put in a little comment or whatever. But that is how you order your author copies. And like I said, most people order author copies is to have their books or journals on hand to use at events, or like I said, they like to manually drop ship their products to different people. But both of these processes work the same. Note that when you do request a printed proof copy, it does come with the banner around the book that says not for resale. They just started doing that sometime this year. You used to be able to get your proof copies without that banner around it, but they do that now. The resale, not for resale, just used to be like stamped inside the book. Of course, I'm sure somebody was out here trying to resell those printed proof copies, and that was not what it was intended to be. So one bad apple will spoil the whole bunch. So now we all have to get our ugly printed proof copies with the line banner around it that says not for resale. So I hope this video was beneficial to you. Again, like I said, once you put in that request, you will get an email about your printed proof copy being ready for you to check out, and you will just check out like normally right through your Amazon shopping cart. So again, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know, did you know that's how you ordered a printed copy? If not, tell me, are you ordering any new printed proof copies? Do you have every single journal that you've published? Let me know down below in the comment section. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.